Make great affiliate marketing decisions with this advice. In order to excel at affiliate marketing, you must understand the basics of the concept before you move on to attempting more complex methods. Without first nailing down the fundamentals, your empire will be unstable and could collapse at any moment. Keep in mind these simple ideas and techniques when starting a career and continue to apply them through all of your stages of success. Affiliate marketing and SEO go hand in hand, you can't have one without the other. Once you join an affiliate marketing program, determine the best keywords that will drive potential buyers to your site. Making your site easy to find and highly relevant to the product you're advertising will translate into more click-throughs and more conversions. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ensure that your affiliate company offers resources that help you to generate sales. These resources should include banners and text links, as well as templates for recommendation letters. An affiliate company should be willing to help you earn as many commissions as possible. You should check often to see how well banners, text links, and recommendations are doing. If you find that one is doing better than another, you should change your tactics so you can yield maximum profits and sales results. Checking these statistics quite often will increase your earning commissions. Problems usually occur when the affiliate marketer decides that he or she no longer needs to remember these simple rules and begins making things more complicated than they really need to be. While that may temporarily increase profits, it can result in a single disaster that causes your entire business to burn. Pay close attention, and when branching out, always do the research and testing beforehand. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.